Today I just decided I needed to get away from it all and take a day totally off to relax for myself and just enjoy the fact that I don't have to do anything and there's no rush, there's no hurry. So we do have a few more things to walk through today, and this trail goes for a little while, but this is one of the nicer features with that waterfall under the bridge. One of my favorite parts about this hike are all the rock tunnels you have to walk through. All in all, this is still a very, very beautiful hike, even if it's a little bit crowded because of all the people coming out this time of year. I just figured on a Monday afternoon or a Monday morning, you know, it wouldn't be too busy, but I guess it could be a lot worse. This is definitely my happy place. Anywhere where I can get out into nature, away from the busy city life. That's definitely where I find my inner peace. This is my absolute favorite season out of the year. I also enjoy winter and spring. Summer is truthfully the season that I like the least. I'm pretty much a cold weather person, I guess. But I just love how the leaves change color and they fall from the trees, the cool air, pumpkins, apples, everything you can think about. And it just makes me happy. It just puts me in a better mood. I can't say enough good things about it. And there is this incredibly nice, cool breeze today. I'm feeling it, just the wind. And it's just perfect. It's not too cold. It's not too warm. It's great weather to just have on 2 layers like I do. I did have another larger jacket that I brought, but I don't think I'm going to need it now that the sun is out and it's gotten a little bit warmer this afternoon. Wow, look at these rocks. They are just massive. And I'm going to be following these around into this ravine here. And there are a few people, I can hear them, but it's not quite as busy as some of the other parks that I've been to, which is nice. Oh, gotta watch out. There's a lot of branches on the ground here and tree roots. Don't want to trip over any of that, get myself hurt before I even start. I've still got a little ways to walk. I've actually done this hike one other time. I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago, and I really enjoyed it. So I thought, you know what, I've got some free time and I need to make some me time as well, just because I've been so busy and I don't often have a lot of time where I can just do what I want. Unfortunately, like everybody else, like you probably, you've got work, you've got family, you've got responsibilities. There are so many things causing stress lately, just life in general. Oh, there's a cave you can go in over here. This fall has been a bit rougher on me, and not just because of work, but also personal reasons. A lot of things in life, you know, things happen. But I feel like that's what makes these kinds of days where I can just unplug, disconnect. I mean, you can't even get any cell service out here, so there goes, you know, scrolling on my phone. About the only thing I'm actually using is my camera to film this. But this might just be the best medicine of all when you're feeling overwhelmed in life and when you're just constantly busy. It doesn't always seem like it, but then when you can remove yourself from certain situations, you find that you were doing a lot of things that you thought you had to or that you needed to do, but really you didn't. A lot of times too, we forget to kind of enjoy ourselves in the moment because we have so many things going through our minds. I should definitely try to do that more and be more aware and conscious of the fact that I am always thinking about work and disconnect way more often. Okay, I've had enough of the cave. Completely caved out for the day and maybe the week. But caves are a lot of fun. There's some really large caves over here as well. You could probably even live in there. The size of my studio apartment. Well, we just came down a little bit, which means I have a feeling this trail is going to go back up. But that's okay. A little bit more of a workout. And it's almost finished. It's really not that long of a trail even. This area over here is usually one of my favorite spots to enjoy this time of year, but it's been a really dry and warm autumn, so the trees, some of them look nice, some of the yellows and reds have popped out, but a lot of them haven't, or they've just fallen off prematurely so that you don't really get the vibrant colors that I'm used to seeing here. But it's okay. I'm just really having a great time doing absolutely nothing and clearing my head of all thoughts and just trying to relax and take a break, a breather from all the stressors of everyday life. And it's something we all need. So I hope that wherever you are, you're able to take a minute to enjoy yourself and, you know, just keep in mind taking breaks and having time off and time away from all the things that bother you is a good thing. As always, stay safe, healthy, and happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for joining me today. Life's a journey meant to be shared. Remember to always travel with an open heart and an open mind. Enjoy the ride and keep your eyes on the horizon for the next adventure. I'll see you out there.